What is up, dudes, students, dads, moms, kids, who's ever watching? Welcome to Trixie Pixel. Today we are going to be doing a surprise game. I'm really excited. I have been suggested this by someone, and we're going to play it. So it is the 100 sound button. We'll go through 50 sounds today, and okay, right, first laugh. Gotta move that. Okay. Right, that was a bit weird. Yeah. This is very weird. Then the wolf. With an explosion. That sounds great. Evil laugh. It kind of sounds like the glove from the Beatles movie. That was weird. I'm not going to be miming everything. Alright, let's see what's next. Hello.
Hello.
I've seen the news one. I've gone through 2 pages of this. The news one is so long. Have you ever heard of an iMovie? If you have, yes, you have probably. It's just the Sorry, that was weird. I sound like a chicken. Let's see the elephant. Plain one's okay. Pretty good. That's really good. I like that. I haven't seen the car one yet. Cool. The cry one's a bit weird. Can we please just stop? Let's hear the broken glass. The chat one isn't that good, but I'll let you hear it anyway. The chainsaw is really long. It's just like... What's this one? Oh god, no, not this song. Again! Finally. Oh, that's what we had in one of our... We had an Oscars night. We created some movies, and that's the same sound we had. I know our movie wasn't that good. Please don't. Lift off! Lightsaber! I didn't see the lightsaber.
Ignition sequence has started. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. We have commit and we have liftoff at 2:13. The Saturn V building up to 7.6.
Okay, right. That's quite good. Kira. Sorry. Troll face. God, no. It comes down from above and lands in the area, which it's supposed to land in. I get it a DJ last. Yeah, that's what's. I hope that doesn't happen to you, Unicorn XY. I know. It goes from this to this.
Denied.
Let's see what DJ.
You're jamming with the hottest disc jockey.
Alright. Did I just see a Trump face? Oh my god, I did.
Okay.
Oh my god. Me and Rosie do that all the time. I'm like, no. And she's like,
Okay. Headshot.
that's me in the morning. I have to take a bath. Oh, please. Stop. Please. Lizard. What about the lizard?
Do you know the way? Do you know the way? Do you know the way?
Wait.
Do you know the way? Wrong.
I'm gonna press this 1,000 times now.
Wrong.
Sorry.
Yeah. No! Excuse me.
Whatever.
Yes, sir. What?
What is this?
Whatever.
That used to be my favorite song, but now it's not. Yes! Alright, now I get a doze. Yeehaw! I'm gonna pause it because this is gonna be really long.
That's pretty good.
Oh. Please stop! Please! Finally.
Hey, that's pretty good. Let me get a boneless pizza with a 2-liter of Coke.
Okay.
Wrong.
I'm in the moves. I'm in the moves. I'm in the moves.
I remember that.
He needs some milk.
No. Please stop. Sorry, got a nice squishy. Oh! sounds from Fashion Frenzy.
You're out.
Ugh. Okay, fine. There you go.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street.
That used to be a big thing back in the day. It was. Wow. That hurt. No. Oh God, no! Please. Well, that was all of the 100 sounds. I hope you guys really liked it. Please give a like, subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section. Give an emoji. And if you do, I'll give an emoji. I'll do a shout out. Bye.